Happy New Year. Hello, welcome to Stay Home, Eat Great. It's 2021. We're already 9 days in. What are you doing this year? Do you have any New Year resolutions? If you do, I'd like to hear about them. Comment down there and let's get a conversation going. What are you working on? As for me, we are doing a 21-day fast. And so what does that mean? That means there's certain foods we're not eating. That is, of course, gonna impact a little bit what I do here on my show, at least for these first 3 weeks. But I still want to show you exactly what we're doing. But before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified each week, and help us out by giving us a like. That way more people are able to see this video. With this installment of Stay Home Eat Great, I'd like to also let you know that I've started another channel called Courage for Today, and the link to that channel will be in the description. In this channel that I started this year, if you'd like to be encouraged, why don't you follow us on that channel as well? I'll be putting out weekly videos there encouraging you. It's called Courage for Today. All right, now on to today's show. I just want to show you there's two things that we made that we're eating tonight. One is lentils. What are lentils? Lentils are these small beans, and I like making them as I do my chowder beans. I put cilantro, onion, tomato, some garlic, some onion, salt, and pepper, and we cook them all together and we eat them just like we're eating beans. They're just tasty. I'm about to show you those. And the next thing we're doing today is we're also making chalupas. So we're using the tostada shells with refried beans. We're doing lettuce and tomato on top. These are tasty, and then we're finishing them off with a chile that I make. The recipe to that chile you can find in my Quarantine Street Tacos video. So here we go. I'm going to show you what's going on here. All right, so here you go. Tasty, full of iron, from the legume family. These are lentils. As you can see here, I have some cilantro, some onion, some tomato. I put a little bit of garlic in there as I cook it, salt and pepper, and it's just a great flavor. Legumes, you should give them a try. Very easy to make, as I was just telling you right now. Put it all together in a pot, let it go for about 20 minutes, and you'll have a very hearty lentils for you to enjoy. All right, up next is our chalupas. So here we go. We're starting off with refried beans that I have here. Very tasty, these refried beans. I'm gonna go ahead and take these real quick, and I have my chalupa shells here, or tostada shells. I have 2 of them, and this is just so easy. I'm sure you've all tasted it before, but if you haven't, well, here you go. Here's another recipe you can add to your repertoire at home. I just use a spoon to spread the refried beans, and of course fresh refried beans are always the best. 1, 2 right over here. I'm using about a full one of these tablespoons, these big spoons here, and just spread it around as close to the edge as you can. If you go over, it's okay. You'll like it even more if you go over a little bit. All right, this is just such a simple recipe. Pardon me, I'm not trying to give you my back here. Next, I just have some curly leaf lettuce and some iceberg lettuce. So you just come this way and just put lettuce across. All right, nothing too fancy, but oh my goodness, so good and nutritious for you. There's no meat in here, no dairy in here. We're just trying to eat more vegetables and fruits in the first 21 days of this year. You might be wondering, why are you telling us? Well, I'm telling you because this is Stay Home Eat Great, and these foods are delicious. And of course, I just want to give you a little insight into what I'm doing as we start the year off. We want to start the year off right. And I just want to encourage you, as I did on our last video, 2021 can be your best year yet. We do it by focusing on God, staying in prayer, reading the Word of God. So here you go. Here's our chalupas. So tasty. So tasty. Before I forget, secret weapon right here. My homemade chile. Alright. Oh man, this stuff is good. Again, if you're looking for this recipe, you're going to find the recipe to my chile in my Quarantine Street Tacos. Man, just like this. Just like this. It gives it so much flavor. I use serrano peppers, which are really tasty. So there you go. A little bit of chile right on the top. Come on, look at that. Chalupas for the new year. Or maybe even chalupas during the whole year. Alright, so as I promised, today is such an easy recipe, and this is part of what we're doing the first 21 days, me and my family. But I'm going to take you on the journey. Stay tuned next week. I'm going to be making a veggie chili. Wait till you see it. You're going to enjoy it next week here on Stay Home, Eat Great. Once again, if you'd like to, I'm inviting you to join me in my new channel. My wife and I will be encouraging you. The new channel is called Courage for Today, and the link to that will be in the description below. But for now, I'm going to take these chalupas down. Oh, come on. You got to give these a try. Once again, I'm Steve Lopez for Stay Home, Eat Great. God bless you and be safe.